Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. I received a lot of queries from all of you that Infosys started the system engineer hiring for 2025 batch or not. Is it a off-campus hiring or on-campus? What about the Infosys hiring process? Infosys SE System Engineer, DSE Digital Specialist Engineer and SP Specialist Programmer hiring process. One most important point, guys, I always believe on official notification and genuine updates. That's why I confirmed with recruiters that the hiring is posted is off campus or on campus, okay, whether it is posted on LinkedIn or not, okay. So always believe on genuine and official notification. First of all, I created poll on our WhatsApp group. One most important point, we have 3 WhatsApp group for the 2025 batch: group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. 5 candidate mentioned that already completed through college or on campus hirings ongoing. 4 candidate mentioned received hiring update this week. 46 candidate mentioned they are waiting for off campus. 97 candidate mentioned no update waiting for off campus. 30 candidate mentioned already completed through college or currently on campus hirings are ongoing. 14 candidate mentioned 46 and 1 candidate. So those candidate who received update this week, I personally send message to them. Hi, you received Infosys system engineer hiring update from college? Yes bro, they are currently hiring only girls, okay. What's your college state? College state is Andhra Pradesh. Candidate is basically from the 2025 batch, okay. So I asked to candidate, one of the candidates shared this link with me. Surveys Infosys app are a campus registration APIT task 2025 batch, where it is mentioned it is a off campus mass hiring, okay. First point, okay. And second point is where is official notification, okay. If it is a mass hiring, if it is a system engineer off campus drive officially for the 2025 batch, so why any of the recruiter is not posting any of the update regarding this hiring? I will give you one example, guys, okay. Like this is the form that is shared by candidate. It is clearly mentioned Infosys recruitment drive for 2025 pass out only girls student. Basically it is through the campus, okay. Simply भाषा में कहा जाए तो on campus, it is a on campus opportunity. Previously one hiring is posted, okay, that is SP specialist programmer at time of 2024 year, okay. And in the link, in this link it is written as NATS colleges, okay. So we assume that this hiring is for all colleges. After 5 to 6 days, recruiter posted on LinkedIn that only IITs, NITs, okay, and government college are eligible for the opportunity and only NATS colleges. So the thing is, we always believe on the official notification. We have to always wait for the update, okay, because it is a campus hiring. If your college TPO, if your college placement officer shared the hiring details with all of you that Infosys is conducting system engineer opportunity for your batch, so you can apply for the opportunity. Before applying to any of the hiring, please check whether it is official or not and whether it is for your college or not, okay. Because the thing is, one most important point, like their cooling period is very strict, okay. Sometimes their cooling period is of 6 months. Sometimes they not consider your application because they already received your details through the form, okay. So मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि आप किसी भी हायरिंग में अप्लाई करें तो आपको पता हो कि what is the right process to apply, okay. Like ये हायरिंग आपके कॉलेज के लिए है या नहीं है. So this is the thing. Infosys is currently conducting the on campus opportunity. जब ऑफ कैंपस हायरिंग्स आएगी ना, whenever the Infosys will release the off campus hiring notification, we will see the post on LinkedIn, okay. Like official notification shared by recruiter. Infosys announced the off campus drive for a 2025 batch. And guys, previously Infosys conducted the SP opportunity in the through different ways: on campus, okay, and college based hiring as well. College based means multiple colleges of India are eligible for the SP opportunity. So we are eagerly waiting for the 2025 batch that we will receive the update of SP hiring and system engineer opportunity in the off campus, okay. So this point will be clear to all of you that currently they are conducting the on campus hiring and you can confirm with your TPO. Okay, what is the Infosys hiring process? First of all, just see that there are multiple examination NFTQ. Still, it is not announced for 2025 batch. I am only talking about the 25 Hack with Infi hackathon. It is already announced. I will show you proof. System engineer hiring, it is announced in the on-campus. Operation executive mass hiring not announced. Digital specialist engineer and specialist programmer. Digital specialist engineer, if you upgrade your role, like suppose you applied for a specialist programmer, if your performance is not according to that, they are giving you opportunity of DSE, and it is also ongoing in the on campus. Okay, system engineer salary is this, operation executive, DSE and SP. But what about the hiring status of 2025 batch? Specialist on a programmer on campus hiring is completed. System engineer on campus hiring is announced. Okay, I will show you one thing. Just see that this is Infosys certification. Currently we have no update of NFTQ. Infosys system engineer hiring announced for the 2025 batch 3.6 LPA. SE hiring is ongoing according to your college. Okay, and what about college based hiring? This is a college based hiring for the 2024 batch, in which it is clearly mentioned Infosys off campus recruitment program, specialist programmer role 9.5 lakh is the package. So similarly we are waiting for the 2025 batch. And what about the Hack with Infi? Previously Hack with Infi is conducted in the colleges. Like if your college is eligible, you will receive the update for the 24 and for the 2025 batch. Okay, so for the 2025 batch, we are assuming that SP hiring in on campus announced, system engineer opportunity in on campus announced, Hack with Infi is completed already, because they are like considering the 2026 batch now. Okay, we are waiting for the official off campus hiring from the Infosys team, like this specialist programmer. Like this, it is a college based opportunity in which 2024 batch is eligible for the off campus recruitment. Similarly, we are waiting for the 2025 batch. So this is the hiring process of Infosys. I hope you like the video. And guys, if you are applying for any opportunity through any of the medium, please check that whether that hiring is for your college or not. Okay, the thing is, हमें कोई भी mistake नहीं करनी है. And I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.